Good morning students. So our second lesson is going on numeration. So next topic of our second lesson is building numbers. So building numbers means simply making a number from different digits. So we will directly go to the example. Example 5. Use 4837 to build the greatest and smallest 4-digit number. So there are 4 digits given. We have to make greatest as well as the smallest 4-digit number by using that 4 digits. So look at here, which one is the greatest digit in from that 4 digit? 8. So we will write 8 first. Then after 8, which one is the greatest digit? 7. So we will write 7. Then again 4 is the greatest, then 3. So that 8743 will become our greatest digit. Now smallest digit, just reverse it. First write 3, then 4, then 7 and then 8. It will become our smallest digit. So here is a classwork topic given. Write the greatest and smallest 5-digit numbers using the following digits. So example number B, we will find the greatest digit number. So what we have to write here first? Which one is the greatest digit from that 5? 5 is the greatest digit. So first we will go with 5. Then 4 is, then 4, then 2, then 1 and then 0. So that will be our greatest number from that 5 digits. Then we will take example A, smallest digit number. So first here in smallest digit number, what we have to do? We have to start with the smallest digit. In greater number, to find greatest number, we have to go with or start with the greatest digit. But in smallest number, we have to start with the smallest digit. So which one is the smallest digit here? 1. Then which one is the greater than 1? 2, then 3, then 8 and then 9. So that's how we have to find the smallest and greatest number. Now the next topic is rounding number. So rounding of the number to the nearest 10. So we have to round off number to the nearest 10. So simply see here, if the ones place of any number consists of 1, 2, 3 or 4, if the ones place, suppose that is tens ones, so here in that place, ones place, if there is a 1, 2, 3 or 4, from that number any number consists numbers in its ones place, then what we have to round off? We have to round off lesser 10. That means we will clear it in an example. Now if the ones place is having 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what we have to do? We have to round off greater 10. Now we will take example. So here 62. So what is the which digit is present at the ones place here? 2. So what we have to do? We have to take lesser 10. That means it will be 60. If 65. So what is at a ones place? There is a 5. So what we have to do? We have to take greater 10. That means it will become 70. For example, same 67. Here is 7. So we have to take greater tens, that is 70. Same how here are some examples given like 1523. So look at here, what is the which digit is present at the ones place? 3. So what we have to do? If there is less 3 at the ones places, what we have to take? We have to take lesser 10. That means before 23 which tens will come? 20. So we will take 1520 or 1520. Similarly here 23,865. So there is at ones place there is 5. So 5 is what that rule said? If there is a 5, we have to take greater 10. So what we will take? Greater 10. That means, so what is a greater 10 for 65? That is a 70. So we will take here 70. Similarly here some examples I have solved for you. So example number 7. Here is 3975. So at ones place, what is here? 5. So we have to simply take greater tens of 75. So it will be 80. Then again 93, ones place, what does the ones place consist of? 3. So 3 is smaller. So what we have to take for 3? We have to take lesser tens. So what is a lesser 10 for 93? It is 90. Again 384. So what we have to do here? There is a 4 at ones place. So what we have to do? We have to take lesser 10. Then here 46,869. So here 9 is present at a ones place. So what we have to do here? We have to take greater tens. So what is the greater tens for that 69? 70. So we will take 70. Remaining examples you should have to solve it. Now next is rounding of the numbers to the nearest 100. So same like that, we have find out the rounded up nearest tens. Now it will be rounded up nearest 100. So here look at here, 326 is nearer to 300 than 400. 326, directly we can find it that 326 is seems nearer to 300 than 400. For 400 we need to add lot of digit, but for 300 there are few digits away from that 300. So we will take 300 for 326. Similar 675. So 75 seems above that are above the 50. It means we will take 700 than 600. Here for hundreds, for nearest 100, what we have to calculate? 10, 20, 30, 40. For those, all those, that is up to 49, from 0 to 49. If that 3-digit number or any number having tens place up to 49, then we will go toward lesser 100. And if there is 50 or up to 99, 50 up to 99, so what we have to do? Greater 100. We have to take greater 100. So for example, here is what is present here at the tens and ones place? 57. So we will consider both two digits. So there is 57. So 57 is greater than 50. So what we have to do? We have to take greater 100. That means it will be 400. Here 1080. So 80 is greater than 50. So what we have to do? We have to take greater 100. So what is a greater 100 for 80? That is 100. So we will write here 100. Then 7965. So here is 65. So 65 is greater than 50. So what we have to take? 700. So 65 is greater than 50. So what we have to take? 965. It means 1000. So we will add 1000. So what will we will take? 8000, because 7965. After that the nearest that digit comes is 8000. Now 5107. So here 07 is closer to the it is less than 50. So we will take simply 100. Then 365, that is 365. Here is 65. So what we have to take? 65 is closer greater than 50. So what we have to take? 300. Instead of 300 we will take 400. So that is how to solve it.